Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline panel van in the short wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Ravenna blue. Across the front of the vehicle, it features a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, this van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the van, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, and this paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space or load area of the van, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple load lashing rings dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the panel van can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. There is a step for easy access, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Moving up front into the driver's cab area, we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver, and next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In terms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, including DAB radio stations. Users can also opt to use the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will also display on this touchscreen as well. Located beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the van. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, which is perfect for all year round. To the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.